Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a scrolling year timeline animation in Davinci Resolve. This effect is perfect for creating dynamic montages, historical timelines, or event recaps that show years passing in a smooth cinematic way. Let's dive right in. First, open your Davinci Resolve application. Once it's loaded, look at the bottom of your screen and click on Edit. This takes you to the editing workspace where we'll begin building the animation. Now, on the top left of your interface, click on Effects, and from the drop-down menu, select Titles. You'll see a variety of text options appear. What you want to do next is drag Text Plus onto your timeline. This is the text generator we'll use to display the years. Once it's on the timeline, adjust its length to match how long you want the animation to run. This gives you control over the duration of the scrolling effect. With the text clip selected, look over to the top right and click on Inspector. This panel is where you'll customize the text. In the text field, input the year you want to show, for example, 2020. Then adjust the font, format, and size to match your project's style. Make it bold and clear so it's easy to read. Now right-click on your text clip in the timeline and select Open in Fusion Page. This is where the real animation magic happens. The Fusion page gives you node-based control over your effects and motion. Once you're in Fusion, you'll need to add a rectangle node. Click on Template, then click the rectangle icon in the Builder tool. This creates a mask that will act as a window to reveal only a portion of the scrolling text. Adjust the rectangle size and position it where you want the year to be visible on screen. This is essentially the frame through which the years will scroll. On the right side in the inspector, increase the soft edge and border width settings. This softens the edges of the rectangle and gives it a cleaner, more polished look. Now click on the template node again. On the right side, click Transform. This is where we'll animate the scrolling motion. Go to the very start of your timeline. Under Y offset, adjust the value until the first year fits perfectly inside the rectangle. Once it's positioned correctly, add a keyframe by clicking the small diamond shape beside the Y offset value. Next, move your playhead to the point on the timeline where you want the animation to finish. Adjust the Y offset again until the last year is visible inside the rectangle. Davinci Resolve will automatically create the motion between these two keyframes, making the years scroll smoothly from start to finish. Now let's add some blur to polish the effect. Click on the template node, then press Shift and Space on your keyboard. In the search bar, type Gaussian blur and click Add. This applies a blur effect to the text. Click the rectangle again in the Builder tool, then adjust its width and height. Check the invert option and increase the soft edge. This creates a nice fade effect at the top and bottom of the scrolling text, making it look more professional. Once you're done, click Edit at the bottom to return to the editing page. Press play on your clip to preview the animation. You should see the years smoothly scrolling through the rectangle with a clean, blurred fade at the edges. And that's it. You've just created a scrolling year timeline animation in Davinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.